Microsoft has announced that it is rolling out ads to Microsoft Bing Chat. The company is exploring placing ads in the chat experience. Wired has a dive into the concept of violet teaming. What's that? Well, quoting the piece, identifying how a system like GPT-4 might harm an institution or public good, and then supporting the development of tools using that same system to defend the institution or public good. You can think of this as a sort of judo. General purpose AI systems are a vast new form of power being unleashed on the world, and that power can harm our public goods. Just as judo redirects the power of an attacker in order to neutralize them, violet teaming aims to redirect the power unleashed by AI systems in order to defend those public goods. In interesting product announcements, Read AI uses OpenAI's technology to convert a 60-minute video recording into a 2-minute highlight reel. Large language models integrated with video identify the key moments from a meeting, analyzing not just the spoken words, but the reaction from participants. Similarly, Zoom has announced that they are using their AI in Zoom IQ powered assistant to help participants catch up on meetings they're late to with summarization. Europol has shared a report that criminals are using ChatGPT to commit crimes. The agency admitted that all this information is already publicly available online, that the model makes finding and understanding how to carry out specific crimes easier. Europol also highlighted that the model could be exploited to impersonate targets, facilitate fraud and phishing, or produce propaganda and disinformation to support terrorism. Unrelated, AI image generator Midjourney has halted free trials of its service, blaming an influx of new users, quote, because of massive amounts of people making throwaway accounts to get free images. On the Defender side, Microsoft has launched Microsoft Security Copilot, which looks identical to ChatGPT and focuses instead on a small set of vetted security sources. There are two intended use cases: as a chatbot to help prioritize relevant threat research and vulnerability disclosures, and as an assistant to figure out the extent of ongoing cyber incidents on networks. Currently, the new tool only pulls information from Microsoft's Threat Intelligence and Products, the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, and NIST's National Vulnerability Disclosure Database. Each response includes a citation to the source material. Speaking of NIST, they have launched a new AI resource center that builds upon NIST's AI resource management framework and AI playbook to support industry best practices in researching and developing socially responsible AI and machine learning systems, absent overreaching federal law. BuzzFeed spent some time with Freedom GPT, a supposed censor-free AI. It does exactly what you think it will, spewing offensive content, as you might expect.